How to turn on or add branded content on TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add branded content on your TikTok video. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your TikTok app. Then once you're on your TikTok app, tap on this plus here in middle bottom. Then if you want to record a video, you can record a video, or if you want to upload from your gallery, tap on here upload, and from here select the video that you want to upload, and then after selecting, tap on here next. Then here scroll down, and here you will see more options. Tap on it. Then here you will see branded content and ads. Tap on it. And here you will see the branded content. Tap here to turn it on, and tap on turn on, and the branded content is turned on. So you just have to tap here and then save, and then go back, and now you can post this video and the branded content will be added on that video. So this is how you can add branded content on your TikTok video. Thanks for watching.